Hi, today we're diving deep into two powerful AI browser assistants, Harpa and Cider AI. Whether you're a content creator, you're a researcher, a student, or just someone looking to boost productivity, this video will help you decide which tool suits your needs best. In this session, we'll explore each platform's features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately determine which might be the best fit for your needs. So let's get started. We start with Harpa AI. It is a versatile browser extension that integrates with various AI models, including GPT-4, Claude 3.7, Gemini 2.0, and more. It offers a suite of features designed to automate web tasks, summarize content, and assist with writing and research directly within your browser. Cider AI, on the other hand, is a browser extension focused on enhancing productivity through AI-powered models. It supports models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini, providing functionalities such as summarization, translation, and content generation, all accessible via a convenient sidebar. Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. First, Harpa AI. AI-powered web automation. You can automate tasks like data extraction, form filling, and web navigation. Multi-modal integration. You can seamlessly switch between AI models like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and more. Content summarization. You can quickly summarize YouTube videos, PDFs, and web pages. Email assistance. You can draft, summarize, and manage emails with AI support. SEO tools. You can generate long-form content, perform keyword research, and optimize for search engines. Privacy-centric design. It operates locally in your browser, ensuring data privacy. Now on to Cider AI, the features. AI sidebar. You can access AI tools directly from a sidebar in your browser. Summarization tools. You can summarize articles, PDFs, and YouTube videos efficiently. Translation services. You can translate content across 50 languages and more with bilingual view support. Research agents. You can automatically highlight key information and generate detailed reports with citations. And Wisebase. With this tool, you can organize and store research findings, notes, and AI interactions in a personal knowledge base. Now let us talk about the pricing. For Harpa AI, there is a demo plan, which is a free plan to try the products for free. You will get limited daily messages and limited features. There is the S1 plan for everyone, charged at $12 per month when billed annually. You have access to GPT-4, Claude 3.5, and more, with 75 mega tokens per year. The S2 plan for pros and teams at $19 per month when billed annually, an extra seat of 10% off. Everything in S1 is included, with more, and you have 225 mega tokens per year. There's the X plan, which is the X for life. It's a one-time payment of $240. It's a lifetime access for a single user with 30 mega tokens to start with. How about the pricing of Cider AI? There's a starter plan at $4.2 per month, which gives you basic credits and essential AI tools. There's the basic plan at $6.7 per month, which gives you additional credits and functionalities. There's a pro plan of $12.4 per month, which gives you more basic credits and more advanced credits with other features. And of course, the unlimited plan at $16.7 per month. This is the most advisable one because there's a huge percentage discount off it, 44%. It gives you unlimited basic credits and unlimited advanced credits with more. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Harpa AI and Cider AI. We start with the pros. First, Harpa. Comprehensive AI model integration. Advanced web automation capabilities. Strong focus on data privacy. And extensive SEO and content creation tools. How about the pros of Cider AI? User-friendly interface with sidebar access. Efficient summarization and translation tools. Affordable pricing tiers, and it is useful for quick research and content tasks. How about the cons? For Harpa AI, steeper learning curve due to feature richness, and some advanced features require higher tier plans. How about the cons of Cider AI? Limited automation capabilities compared to Harpa AI, and it requires stable internet connection to function optimally. In conclusion though, both Harpa AI and Cider AI offer valuable tools to enhance your productivity, but they cater to different needs. So which is best? I'd say choose Harpa AI if you require advanced web automation and SEO tools, if data privacy is a top priority for you, and if you're comfortable navigating a feature-rich platform. On the other hand, I'd say choose Cider AI if you prefer a straightforward, easy-to-use interface, if your focus is on summarization, translation, and a quick research, and if you're looking for an affordable AI assistant for everyday tasks. Ultimately though, the choice depends on your specific requirements and workflow preferences. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Notion AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.